Guys, some great news. Bitcoin is starting to show a bit of a correction cooldowns period. And as that's happening, we're seeing Cardano pump. We're seeing Ethereum pump and a lot of our other favorite altcoins. I'm going to be discussing this in today's video. I'm also going to be discussing what to expect. I'm going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I'd let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing when we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, there is about to be an inflation reading that's going to be released. This will cause cryptos to either pump depending on the greed to fear chart, which we're going to be studying on this channel. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on that. We're also seeing Shiba Inu pump and have a clear uptrend on the charts. So you want to be looking out for that dip when I call it out as well, when I see that it's steep enough where I'm willing to put some money in. Later on in the video, I'm also going to be discussing one of the top crypto experts' price predictions for December, relating to a lot of the top cryptos that we discuss on this channel. So you're going to want to stick around for that. Guys, with Bitcoin leading the way right now, and a lot of the top altcoins bleeding out, showing red on the charts, we are seeing Dogecoin dip even more than them. So guys, this is the perfect time to buy into Dogecoin, especially since in early 2022, Elon Musk has promised to fly Dogecoin to the moon and literally place a Dogecoin on the moon. Guys, this will be a massive event for Dogecoin, likely similar to the SNL event. You want to get ready for that, and you want to be positioned very well for that coming up. So wait for that dip when I call it out as well. Guys, just this month, we're expecting for the world's first Bitcoin ETF to be approved. Guys, a lot of the top experts out there, a lot of the top crypto experts, including myself, are expecting for Bitcoin to hit $200,000 just by the end of this year, especially with this Bitcoin ETF being approved. It will allow for the old school investor, the one that only invests in the stock market, to then put money into ETFs, which inevitably directly affects the crypto market space, allowing for billions of dollars to pour into crypto, literally bringing up to $6 trillion into the crypto market space. Guys, this could be one of the largest pumps, the largest and strongest bull runs we have ever seen for cryptos in crypto history. They're also saying that this bull cycle could go as long as 6 months to a year at this point, even though they were initially thinking just 2 to 4 months. So eventually, when we hit altcoin season, which could happen any second now, but potentially it could be as long as December and January, we will then see the cryptos follow up along with Bitcoin as we were previously. But right now, they're all focused on Bitcoin right now because of this ETF. However, like I said, it gives us the opportunity to buy these altcoins at the very low prices that they are today. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more using my link, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, some massive news. An article came out titled, "Ethereum loses key support level as Ethereum price drop falls to 2-month lows against Bitcoin." Ethereum and Bitcoin dropped below its 200-day exponential moving average for the first time since March 2020. raising risks of more downside. Guys, with up to 4 Bitcoin ETFs being approved this month, we're about to see billions of dollars pour into Bitcoin and inevitably into the crypto market space, causing the rest of the altcoins to pump up along with Bitcoin. Guys, this could pave the way for many more Bitcoin ETFs following in the next coming months. And even though we were previously seeing Ethereum follow up along with Bitcoin and even outperforming Bitcoin, we will then start to see this happen more as the Bitcoin ETFs start to get approved. And this goes along with the rest of the altcoins as well, watching them pump up along with Bitcoin and Ethereum too. So you want to be sure to have some cash on the side and buy these dips, as I'm calling them out, on the altcoins while they're very low, and get positioned very well in preparation for these coming months when they will pump massively during the altcoin season. This allows for some of the biggest institutions out there that only invest in the stock market to buy ETFs on the stock market, which will inevitably allow for billions of dollars to pour into the crypto market as well, only furthering mass adoption and making this bull run that much more powerful. Guys, a lot of the top crypto experts out there are expecting for Bitcoin to hit $200,000+ just by the end of this year. Not just out of nowhere, guys. These sort of technical analysis predictions don't just come out of the clear blue. It's because they're comparing the charts that we're seeing currently to previous charts, to charts back in 2017. Back in 2011, when we saw the biggest bull runs in crypto history, in Bitcoin history, and guys, those patterns are matching up. And that's why we're about to see some of the biggest pumps, the biggest moves that we've ever seen in crypto history. And you're about to witness a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, when cryptos are still in their infancy stages, still less than half of their actual worth. It's time to get in. Guys, people got rich on crypto, not because they bought in on the uptrend, not because they waited, but because they got in early. They got in before the others. They got in before the mass adoption occurred, which is the exact opportunity that you have right now. So don't let it pass you by. And as we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, we can see that after this uptrend right here, we had a curve, right? A curve right after this bullish flag and pennant, which allowed us to form an ascending triangle, trading sideways, having another bullish flag and pennant, continuing to trade sideways, having a good bit of volatility. We are still on our uptrend. We headed up. We came down, which was kind of scary because this flipped bearish. We came down, which allowed us to buy the dip right here, and we went up again. Guys, I believe that we're having a bit of a breather. As we trade sideways even more, we may come down again, which will only allow us to buy the dip again, so be sure to have some cash on the side. This breather will be very good. This is very healthy to have a cool down corrections period for a strong bull run and completely normal. It only allows us to buy at the dip, like I said, and it allows for a lot of money, billions of dollars, to then pour into the altcoin market as well. So expect to see Dogecoin pump, Cardano, and a lot of your other favorite altcoins. So if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. I'm able to offer that because I have such a good partnership with Webull. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing when we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.